Happy Friday, Lakeside. Glad to have you join me for this time. This morning I'm going to be reading to you out of Colossians chapter 3, verses 12 through 14. Here Paul writes this: "Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity." Now, of this list of words, there's a lot of these that make us a little uncomfortable. But if you think about compassion and kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience, which one of these comes easy for you? How does that happen? But the harder question is, when you think about it, which one is the most difficult for you? What is that you just have a hard time doing? And how do we learn how to put these into practice? Well, we do it when we're clothed with God's love. And so this week, what I want you to think about is, who is someone that you need to forgive? Who is someone that you need to show patience to? You can ask God to give you that name, and chances are you already know exactly who that is. And so pray on a way that you can do that for them this week. Show them forgiveness. Show them patience. Do that through a phone call. Do that through a text, an email, a personal visit. But allow God to give you that compassion the same way that He gives to us, to another person. That's our prayer this week is, Father, help us apply the love that you've shown to us. Help us apply it to others. Thanks, Lakeside. Praying for you. See you Sunday.